Got the OTouch cell phone stand. Look at this thing. I've done a couple of these before, and these things are so cool because it's such a simple technology that actually works. So I'm looking forward to checking this one out. This was given to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. So not much to it. You get a box, and oh, look at that. Nice little velvet bag. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? It is the cell phone stand. Look at that. That is kind of nice. Pretty nice. Is that metal? Yeah. It's metal. That is pretty sweet. Inside, you get instructions. I'm gonna go crazy here and try and use this without the instructions. First of all, I want to point out that nice metal construction, and we've got some padded feet here on the bottom, rubber padded feet. That is a nice feature. And there is also a pad right here, and I'm guessing the phone's gonna rest against. Oh, and look at that. More pads. So pretty simple concept here. We're gonna open it up, set it down on the desk. Can we see this? Open it up, set it down, lean it back, you pull this little lever out, and your phone sits in there. I think that's the coolest thing in the world. I don't know why, but I do. So let's try this on a few different devices. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 with broken screen. Works great. Look at that, we can set it all the way down here. You can set it all the way up there. Let's check the range of motion on this. So I don't know what you're gonna do with that, but yeah, you got a nice range on that. So you got little feet on the bottom here that hold the phone in place to keep it from sliding out, which I think is cool. Samsung Galaxy tablet with a OtterBox case on there. Good. Good. Next. Oh, big old Samsung tablet. That thing's dirty. Let me clean that real quick. There we go. With a broken screen. Yep, nice, because you got these feet on the bottom here to keep this thing from sliding out. Pretty cool range on that. That's a nice big old tablet. Let's try an iPad with the case on it. There's the old iPad Air. Works on that. And that way. Let's try a book. Look. Works with a book. This thing's pretty awesome. I like the fact that it's just a simple thing. And another cool feature is it just folds up. So if you wanted to take it with you to work, it just folds up completely flat. Throw it in your briefcase, throw it in your bag, your laptop bag, whatever. And this thing's good to go anywhere. Pretty awesome, simple, functional device. You just don't see awesome, simple things these days. I like it. This is the OTouch cell phone desk stand. Love it.